Hi there guys, I'm Richard Spears. Got a great little clip for you guys today here at the bog. It's a friend of mine's plot, very nice place, off-grid. A friend of mine Charlie and his sister Rachel, this is their place. They've let us in today and we're going to cook some nice meats on the fire, which I'm really looking forward to. Pizza oven's purring away, and then my station's there, over there on the coals, and look forward to showing you around a little bit today. So yeah, coming and cooking here is really quite special because you're in an environment that's not that common. This is the next best thing for me, and yeah, long may it continue. It's gone very good. Nailed the steak. Ribs were good, the lamb was good, chicken was good, so all good. So yeah, as you can see, everyone's happy, no one's moaning too much yet. So yeah, good friends, good times, and great place.
I'm Charlie, I live here, it's called the Bog. Never happier than when I'm here. It's got everything you need. It's a beautiful spot, peace, quiet. The river's lovely, the woods are beautiful, and yeah, it's a great spot. Very, very fortunate to be here. There's Rory, my oldest son, who lives in a shack over there, and Fergus, next sundown. They've just sold their place in Abingdon, and they're kind of looking for somewhere to live, and they're here for the time being. And my sister Rachel also stays here at weekends, and yeah, so it's sort of family stuff. Yeah, we're very lucky to have the super clean water. And yeah, I've found on the internet, as you do, that you can flush. So you get a big water pump and a pipe, and you jam it into the ground. If you've got sandy ground, you just flush the sand and grit out, and you go down about 3 meters. And we've tapped into a super clean spring about 3 meters below surface, and we had it tested by a friend who has a water filtering company, and he was a bit pissed off that my water came out slightly cleaner than his filtered water. Yeah, so it's super pure and very tasty.
I'm Rachel, Charlie's sister, and hang out at the bog too. Well, it's just a really lovely bit of a green space to come to at the weekend. Just a real de-stress from London, from city life. Yeah, just nice hanging out with family and friends. We have lots of good food and little parties. It's really good fun. Yeah, for me, the essence of the bog is that we do all the food that we prepare is all seasonal and as much as we can of the place. You know, for example, when the crayfish are in the river, we do lots of crayfish dishes, and we do, you know, we eat all the things that are just in season. Like we've been making nettle pakoras at the moment, and it's I grow things and try and use everything as fresh as possible. And wild things, when we have too many pigeons, we eat pigeon. And the fishing from the river. Often have trout. We have a trout. We do lots of delicious trout dishes. Yes, it is. It's of the land, isn't it? It's of the place, and try and do things as fresh as they are and from here, really local.